All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your friends queue, how to set up all the settings for sending out friend requests and just send out unlimited friend requests to hyper-targeted prospects inside Friender. So what we're gonna learn how to do is we're gonna learn how to use our request queue inside Friender. But before we go in and use our request queue, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna come over here to the settings, and we're gonna wanna come to these friend request settings. All right, now there's some settings that are here that we're going to turn on, and we're going to recommend that you actually turn on just like we have everything turned on. Don't send friend requests to people I've been friends with before. This setting is basically just going to not send a friend request to somebody if you've already been their friend and either they unfriended you or you unfriended them. You're no longer friends. We're not going to send them another friend request because we already been friends before. Don't send friend requests to people who sent me friend requests and I rejected. So if someone sends you a friend request like this person right here just sent me a friend request, if I delete it and say no, later on I won't be sending a friend request to that person because I already rejected their request to me. Don't send friend requests to people that I sent friend requests to and they rejected. So if I send somebody a friend request and they say no, thank you, they reject it, we're not going to send them friend requests in the future. Avoid sending friend requests repeatedly to people if Facebook restricts sending friend requests to their profile. Sometimes whenever we try to send a friend request, Facebook will throw up a warning and say, looks like you don't know this person, only send friend requests to people you know. If we get that message, we won't keep trying to send friend requests to that person in the future. Automated refriending, so if we turn this off, we don't have it turned on, but if we turn this on, this will basically do exactly what it says, which is automatically cancel the friend requests that have been pending for more than, in this instance, 6 days, and immediately send a new friend request. Choose how often to retry friending up to 3 attempts. And then if I want to turn it on for keywords, this will only apply to certain keywords that are found whenever I send out those friend requests. So I really want these people as friends. So I'm going to try to refriend them even if they don't pay attention to my friend request. So what would happen here with refriending is we're going to send a friend request out to somebody, and that request is going to be pending, waiting on them to actually accept that request. And based on these settings, we're going to wait 6 days, and if they still haven't accepted our friend request, we're going to cancel that request, and we're going to send them another request so that they get another notification, and we're now at the top of the list, and we're going to try that 3 times. All right, we're going to turn that off. You can turn it on if you want to. Delete pending friend request automatically. So once we send a friend request, that's going to be pending, waiting on them to actually accept it. And we're going to delete those requests if they haven't accepted them automatically after 14 days. All right. These are going to go over all the settings for sending out friend requests. We also have some message settings here where you can send a message when somebody accepts your friend request. You can send a message when someone rejects your friend request. You can send a message when someone sends you a friend request. You can send a message when you reject an incoming friend request. You can send a message when you accept an incoming friend request. So you have those options if you want to actually set up those options. But now that we've set up these friend request settings, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our request queue. Right now we have people inside our request queue, so we can process that. It's going to show us how many people are there in the queue. We've got 1720. How many people friend requests we sent this week. We can either set this request limit to infinite or limited. If we send it to infinite, it's just going to run forever. Unless we turn it off, it's going to just run forever. If we set it to limited, it's going to send that limited amount. So let's say 100 friend requests, and then it's going to turn off until we turn it back on. All right, this is how long do we want to wait in between sending each friend request. I have mine set on 30 minutes, so every 30 minutes it's going to send a friend request. And then this is the schedule. Only during these blue blocks of time is it going to send friend requests. So I can just click on one of them and I can hit save and add it. I can click on one of them, I can change the time and click save and add it. Here is going to be 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. I can go to, I can go here to, let's say 9 a.m. and just add that. If I want, I can go ahead and just do the opposite and delete it. But only during these blocks of time is it going to be sending friend requests. So I'm going to set that up. If I want to do it all day, every day, I can set this up to do all day, every day. What I would do is I would just click on something. I would go from the start time all the way to the end time, and I would go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then whenever I save this, that's going to set it to run all day, every day, if that's what I want to actually do. Now I have this set up. As long as I have this set up and turned on and people in the queue, it will start sending out friend requests. If I don't have anybody in the queue, I need to come over to Facebook. I can go to my suggested friends, and I can click on Run Friender, and I can hit run, and then it will go in and start viewing profiles, and it will add people. It will then add people to the queue for me. It's already added one person to the queue. Or I could go to a specific person. I could go to a specific person's Facebook profile. I could go to their friends list, and I could target. I could target their friends list. His actually isn't public, so I can't target his. His is public, so I could go in and I could run Friender, and I could target on his friends list. I could also, and I would just be getting friends from here. It's looking through his friends. It's going through my filter. It's adding those people to my friends queue. Again, now my friends queue is getting filled up. It has people on it. There's other places that we can send friend requests from, which are going to be Facebook groups. We could go to a Facebook group, and inside that Facebook group, we could go to the People's tab, and we can run Friender, and it's going to go look through that group. It's going to find us. It's going to go look through that group based on our filters. It's going to find the leads inside that group. Here it's looked. It's already found me. It's already found me one lead. Or we could go to a post on Facebook. So I could go to a post on Facebook. Here's a post right here. I could go to basically any post on Facebook. It's going to have those three dots. So I just find a post on, I can just find a post on Facebook. It's going to have those three dots. And this works really good if I can find a post from somebody who's actually influencing my avatar. If somebody is actually influencing my avatar, that's going to work really good for me. But the point is, I can just go to any post on Facebook, and I can run Friender. I can run Friender on that post. It's going to give me the options. I just click run. It's going to then go in, look at that post, find the leads from that post, and then add the leads from that post onto my request queue. Now I got friends on my request queue, and that's how I've set it up. That's how I've actually went to the settings. If you do that, if you set up, go to the settings, and then make sure you have your request queue. Have it turned on. It will start processing the leads, and then as you send out friend requests, they will show up here. You'll see all the outgoing friend requests. They'll actually show up here. As you get any incoming friend requests and you do your sync, your incoming friend request will actually show up once you do your sync, as long as you haven't accepted them. And then all the data is saved so that you can actually see where these friends are coming from. For example, here I'm seeing friends that are incoming requests. So you can see we save all the data in the source, and we also keep the keywords as well. So we keep the keywords that we found. We keep the keywords that we found, and we keep the source, so we know, hey, this is coming from some post engagement. This is coming from some incoming requests. That's how it works.